Thus there are 5 resonating structure of phenoxide ion which give stability to that phenoxide ion. Now what in case of paranitrophenol? See, paranitrophenol loses its H plus ion, so we get this paranitrophenol ion, and it is stabilized by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 resonating structure. See, first resonating structure is as usual. Oxygen gives electron to this carbon and this carbon breaks its partnership with the ortho position carbon. So negative charge is developed at ortho position. That carbon gives offer to next carbon to form a bond. So this double bond breaks and it goes to para with respect to this oxygen. Now at para position this negative charge is developed, which is pulled, that negative charge is pulled by nitrogen, which is attached to more electronegative oxygen. So this is additional resonating structure. Here no such extended resonating structure. Due to presence of NO2, resonance is extended or we get additional resonating structure. See, double bond that negative charge goes to this nitrogen and double bond between nitrogen and oxygen is broken and we get like this one intermediate resonating structure. Now this oxygen attacks on this nitrogen, or it gives offer to this nitrogen to form bond with it, and this double bond breaks and it goes to next carbon, and again usual resonating structures are obtained. So in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 resonating structures are there. More the resonating structures, more is the stability. So 6 resonating structure means it is more stable, then 5 resonating structure, then 1 alkyl group destabilization, and then 3 alkyl groups destabilization. So most acidic is structure 4, then structure 2, then 1, and then structure 4, 3, 1 and 2. So this is the order of their acid strength, decreasing order of their acid strength. So this is one reaction. Second reaction is esterification, where OH bond breaks. So alcohol or phenol, they react with carboxylic acid and we get ester. So alcohol or phenol and carboxylic acid, they give ester. This reaction is called as esterification reaction. Okay, there are different methods to prepare ester, but with carboxylic acid, when alcohol or phenol forms ester, then that particular reaction is called as esterification. Remaining reactions are not esterification reactions. Note this. Okay. What is alternate reagent to form ester? Instead of carboxylic acid, we can use acid derivatives. So acid derivative, one is acid halide. Carboxylic acid is RCOOH. Acid halide is RCOCl. Means OH group is replaced by halogen. And acid anhydride, that's the mirror image, RCOOCOR. So that is also derivative of carboxylic acid. What happens in this reaction? See, alcohol is ROH, or we can take AROH, and here R-COOH. Write these two alcohol and acid in such a way that their leaving groups are pointing towards each other. So we have to remove water. So H of alcohol and OH of acid, remember this, H of alcohol and OH of acid, they combine to form water. In acids we will discuss this reaction in detail. Right now just remember this H and this OH, they combine to form water and connect remaining groups R, O, CO, R dash plus H2O, or if it is AROH, this hydrogen and this OH, they combine to form water, and ARO group is connected to this remaining R dash CO group. Okay, or instead of this carboxylic acid, we can use acid anhydride. So this reaction is carried out in acidic medium. It's a reversible reaction. Here also acidic medium, reversible reaction. Here anhydride is taken, R dash COO R dash. H goes to this group R dash COO, and it is converted to R dash COOH. So we get one carboxylic acid as the byproduct, and that R is attached to carbonyl group. So we get R dash COOR, and this rest group forms carboxylic acid, or that phenolic aryl group is attached to this carbonyl carbon. Okay, and next method of preparation of ester is alcohol or phenol react with acid chloride in presence of pyridine. Pyridine is one base and reaction is reversible. So to avoid reverse reaction, reaction is reversed because of the byproduct, that is HCl. So HCl reverses the reaction. So to keep this HCl busy, HCl is acid, so that acid is neutralized by this pyridine. So reverse reaction is prevented. So what's the change? H and Cl, they combine to form HCl. Connect remaining groups, we get ester. So these are three reactions. Alcohol or phenol react with carboxylic acid or acid halide or acid anhydride to form ester. Okay, so they have shown here one reaction. They said that acetyl derivatives of alcohol or phenol are acetate esters. Number of alcoholic or phenolic OH group. How many OH groups are there in the given compound? That can be determined with the help of number of acetyl groups used in the acylation reaction. Actually, acylation is done in case of alcohol or phenol. So alcoholic H or phenolic H is replaced by acyl group. See, they have given one example, that is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid means COOH and OH. They are ortho with respect to each other, and it reacts with this acid anhydride. In acidic medium, reaction takes place. So OH group, which is alcoholic or phenolic. So in this compound there is phenolic OH. This COOH is not alcoholic or not phenolic. It is acid, part of acid group, function group. So OH, this OH is phenolic. So this H is replaced by CH3CO group. So COOH remains as it is, and that OH at the ortho position is changed to OCOCH3 plus CH3COOH, acetyl salicylic acid, or that is also called as aspirin. It is one medicine used as painkiller, and it is also known as 2-acetoxy-benzoic acid. So these are all reactions where OH bond breaks. In the next lecture we will discuss reactions where RO bond breaks.